Good morning, guys. All right, we've had a couple questions already this morning, so I'm just making a little video for you guys parents if you guys need to reference this back. So you guys have the schedule that I sent out yesterday on Seesaw, and also in their blue folder is all their things. If you guys have any trouble logging in or anything, please just send me a message on Seesaw. All right, so most everybody did the check-in this morning, so great job. I'm so proud of you guys. Keep up the good work. Okay, so the next thing is at 9:15. You guys have wonders to do. So on there, the kids know how to do this. It will pop up at 9:15. So I want to say that again. Every activity that is planned will pop up at the correct time. Okay. Now I want to explain. Zoom will be at 12:30. We did that so it'll be like a lunchtime break. So then the kids can be eating, and then we could check in to see if there's any help that you guys need. And then this one right here, the Core 5, that is actually Alexia. So they know how to get on Alexia, their code and everything. They know how to do that. And then the last time is Dreambox. Okay. All right. So on Seesaw, when it's time, they will have the activities. So, for example, for Wonders at 9:15, when the kids will click on it, so they know how to click on this picture, press the chain link, and it's going to take them to the activity to work on. They press on the activities on the whiteboard. Okay. Then when they get done with activities, they know to press the X at the top and come back to this screen. When they're all done with it, they know to press the X on here, and then to press the X here and go back to add response. And then they're going to turn it in with a green check mark. Okay, and then for the next activity, which on the schedule is writing, they know to go to, I'm sorry guys, my screen will look different than theirs. It will pop up exactly when it's supposed to on there. It will go to the writing, so they click on the video, they watch it, and they go next, and they watch this too, and then they add response on here, they add response, and then they finish the activity, okay, and then they turn it in, okay, and then on the next one, they have, it is their center. So guys, the centers are going to look a little bit different, okay? They'll know which center. These are the same centers you've been doing. If they have any extra reading or anything that they have on their centers, they can finish that today. They know what that looks like, okay? And then at the foundation time, they will have the floss whack-a-mole. So you click on the floss video, okay? They'll watch it, they'll play that game, and then you exit off. And then they need to add a response, and they need to just complete the activity and turn it in. Okay? They use the green check mark. All right, the next one is the foundation. It's similar to Wonders. They're going to click on the chain link. So they'll click on the chain link for foundations. They'll do this one first. Click on it. Goes to the whiteboard. And then you click on the whiteboard and it takes them to the activity. Okay? And then after that, they exit that off. They exit that off and they add their response. Okay? And then they need to turn it in. Okay? And then they have the next two activities to do. They have a floss, they have a fill the word in, the activity to do, and then the whack-a-mole during that foundation time. Okay, and then for math, it's the same thing. They have their journal that they click, or their lesson they click on with the link. When they're done, they go back, add response, and then they complete the activities on the side. Okay? All right, remember, on here, when they're doing the lesson, they click on the different things on the whiteboard. Okay? When they're done doing their problem set and their application problems, you're going to turn it in. Okay? And then you guys have And then they have Lexi and Dreambox. They have a domino addition activity to do. If you guys have any questions, send me a message. Have a great day, guys.